Well, I'm able to mow anyways. Slowly but surely getting this mess cleaned up. Don't call me Shirley. I haven't even gotten into the bigger stuff around the edges yet. But I am gaining on it, making progress. So if pro means for and con means against, then progress is obviously the opposite of Congress. I leave these weeds here a little high to keep the nosy folks from looking, but getting this concrete separated and sized. Into various piles. I've got a lot of it that needs to be pulverized before it can be put in a crusher and processed. I've got this load of stone for the guy in Oklahoma, but I couldn't drive around here very well a month ago. If I had a wheel loader or a skid steer that runs, I could put this small stuff in the dump truck and get it on my processed pile that's ready to go and have a good part of this cleaned up. Got some various building stone, some nice bigger stones from various jobs, demolition projects that I've torn down, a few concrete blocks that are fun to break up if you're a boy, a little bit of refractory fire bricks. I really need to get, I'm at a point now where I could get the screening and processing this stuff a little bit better. I've hauled most of my metal off. I've got a pile of aluminum to clean, separate, clean up, an aluminum airplane, a little bit of sheet steel. I'll keep that to use for patching and stuff, a pile of prepared steel to go to the shredder, a big old tank to process, but I'm gaining on it nicely. A few other miscellaneous things to clean up so I can mow in there a little bit closer and get into this pile. Looks like a lot, but there's not much there. Just keep swinging, keep moving forward, because that's what we do. I got some corral panels that would make somebody that needed them be a blessing to them. Be better than nothing maybe, but save them a few $100s here and there. A couple of air conditioners, several air conditioners to process. A couple of propane tanks lurking in the depths, and an old shed to tear down that I shouldn't have hauled up here, but it was all I had at the time.